The Rogue Monster Rhino Belt Squat lets you train your legs hard while minimizing spinal load, making it ideal for building quad and glute strength without beating up your lower back. Here's how to do it correctly. Step onto the platform and bend down to attach the belt securely around your hips so the load stays centered. Stand tall and pull the handles towards you to unrack the weight. Place your feet about shoulder width apart, toes slightly turned out, and brace your core while holding onto the handles. Take a deep breath, then sit straight down by bending at the hips and knees, keeping your chest tall. Lower under control until your thighs are at least parallel to the floor or as deep as your mobility allows. Keep your knees tracking over your toes and your weight evenly distributed through your feet. Drive through your midfoot and heels to stand back up, exhaling as you push the floor away. Finish the rep by extending your hips and knees without leaning back. Repeat for reps, then push the handles forward to re-rack the weight before unbuckling the belt. If you want to see real results in the gym, it's time to stop doing random workouts and start following a structured plan. Try my workout app free for 7 days.